To make your profile a standout, Fiverr also offers the skill test feature. There are different types of tests available like basic English test, Photoshop, editing, coding, graphic designing, gaming. You can simply take the test. After logging in, you can go to the take a test panel and start the test and select your skill. And the main thing is how there are different possibilities. Like if you don't score a good in these tests, you can simply retake these tests. You can also hide the scores from your profile, and there are a lot of different things there. The main thing is how to pass these tests. I'll discuss this in the second part of the video. Whenever you will start a test, just simply copy that question and paste it on Google. You will find a lot of flashcards with answers. Then you can simply answer the Fiverr test and you can get the standout. Most of the questions which are asked by Fiverr are repetitive, so that's why the answers of these questions already exist on Google. Just simply copy that question, paste it on Google, you'll find the answer. That's pretty simple. You get enough time to do that. Fiverr has also started the promoted gigs feature for in beta variant. Only the gigs which has more than 25 reviews or 30 reviews, there is a fixed number for that. If the number of reviews for that particular gig are greater than that number of reviews, then your gig will be qualified to be shown in promoted gigs feature. You will see number of impression clicks. Your gig will appear under that this gig qualified for that feature, promoted gigs feature, and Fiverr will provide $10 for that. And other than that, the if the that number of $10 are in consumed, then the balance will be cut off from your personal balance account.